Oh, the inspiration behind Nyfasi is actually a little girl. Somehow I found myself caring for a little girl in the final year of my PhD to actually make ends meet. And every single time that her mom will detangle her hair, like especially the process of applying conditioner. So, you have to part the hair into section, apply the conditioner, and then detangle. And the poor little thing, from the bubbly, happy little girl she was just in tears. So it just really got to me. And so it just left me with the desire of thinking, I would love to change her haircare experience. Literally, that's the inspiration. To any student who want to become an entrepreneur, I would say just go for it, okay? Reach out to people and expect to be supported. Enter spaces being entirely yourself. And if ever you were to feel discriminated or such situations do happen, then you take action. But do not dismiss yourself from the beginning. Which Black personality inspired me? I will go for Les Brown because his work, Les Brown is a motivational speaker for those who don't know. His work was really vital for me in a very difficult time of my life. He said things that really, really touched me. And the first one that he said when I was really feeling quite low, he said, "You got greatness within you." And that was so important to hear that because I had never been told such a thing. And it was also in a phase of my life where, despite everything that was going on, I knew I had potential. So I will go for Les Brown. He had a massive impact in my life. The dream is that by next year, I have raised fund where there is the pre-order or get an investor and start manufacturing, and women and kids starting to use the Deluxe Detangler, and they're having a great haircare experience. So